Okay, after you have screened your data in the Excel, the first thing now to import your data, we open your SPSS evaluation copy. We are very specific about saying evaluation copy because this is not licensed. It's just an evaluation copy, and you will see there that it will expire in 14 days. Okay, so the first thing that you do, of course, is to open your files of type and identify Excel, right? Be sure that your files have been saved in 1997-2003 workbook of Excel. Then on the files, you look for where you place your Excel and click Data Final. Say Open. You should be able to see a dialog box like this from A1 to BK88. Then you click OK. And you maximize your window for Excel, and you will see this on the screen. The first thing that you will do is actually to look at your data. This is your variable view. You scroll through and look at your data view. There are two ways of looking at it actually, the data view and the variable view. Then look at the decimals if they are consistent. Your averages are only 1. The width is okay. This is 11. Now, let's look at the values. We'll go first into the educational attainment here. If you will look at the educational attainment, they are labeled from 1 to 4. Okay? We have already changed that. Therefore, let us go to your questionnaire and try to label this. Click this one here for educational attainment. There are 3, I repeat, there are 3 dots here, and you click this and it will give you this window. So you write 1. What is 1? In your, okay, write college. Okay, write college. Then add 2. What is 2? With MA units. Write it so that you can now identify later. I will show you the advantage of doing this. 3 is masters. And 4, we agree that we will use with doctorate units and full-fledged. Okay? Okay, add, then click OK. Now you have already values for educational attainment. Initially, although I do not like to go ahead, but I want to show you so that you will be inspired why you should be doing this. When you will analyze how many, the distribution of your respondents as far as educational attainment is concerned, you click Analyze and click Descriptive Statistics and look at Frequencies. Okay? And click in this dialog box, you click Educational Attainment and transfer it to the other window. And click OK. What do you see here? This is what you see. Wow. Really, no? So that you will be inspired to fill up all those labels there and not leave it unlabeled. Okay? So, beautiful. You have how many? You have 20 college graduates with MA units 41, master's degree 21, and 5 doctorate units and so on. Okay, I'll close that and go back to the data. Let us now go to the tenure. Is there a coding for tenure? Okay, if there is no coding for tenure, you can go to the previous file of your Excel, the original copy of your Excel, the raw data for exercises. Here are the codes. Can you see the codes now? 1 to 3 years, 4 to 10 years, 11 to 15 years, 16 to 20. But you will not write that there. We will have to recode because the tenure is raw data. So what shall we do? There is such thing as what we call transform. Sorry, I forgot.